Hey, I'm going to try and show you on a screencast how to navigate and get those courses signed up. I thought it might be easier than trying to talk through it over the phone. I might be wrong. I'm starting on Nicole's Buzz. You could actually do that fall workshop email, but either way, you want to first get to that fall workshop page. And once you get there at the top, it says salaried staff. Click on that. And when you do, there's directions for navigating it, but pretty simply, you just keep scrolling down. It's taking a while to load. Where it says audience, click the drop-down menu, and you have to scroll a ways, but you end up down at K5 teachers. There's a lot of K5 stuff, but you want to make sure you do K5 teachers, just the plain one. And then it shows you, okay, these are all the things we are responsible for attending. Not everything needs signing up, like the obviously building time, you're not registering. You're kind of looking in this column over here. If there's a number, that's where you would register. So it sounds like you already registered for social studies or somebody registered you. Either way, then I don't have to do anything for the kickoff. The only two we have to sign up for is this teaching reading as rocket science and then accessing complex text. So you use these numbers at the top here for when you're on Better and Better. And to do Better and Better, I just open up Millard's, just their homepage, mpsomaha.org, scroll down to staff links, and since it's B, it comes up pretty quick, and you click on that. That opens up Better and Better. Hopefully you have access to that, because if you don't, you would have to probably talk to Nicole. I've already signed up for them, but I'll show you how you would sign up for them. You would have something that says course search right there. And in order to search for it, I have to go back and grab that number, 34871. And so I'm going to enter that in that space. That takes you to the course. But now when you scroll down, you're going to see these all say kindergarten. And right underneath that, it says view all sections. And you want to click on that to open up all the grade levels. And if you notice, there's different ones, so you have to look for the ones that say rower. So here's third grade, and we happen to be right in that first group. I already signed up for it, so it says go to my course. Let's say I hadn't. I'm just going to click on the one below it just to show you. You'll click register. And then you just confirm, oh yeah, that's the one I want to do, and you would click next, and then it would show up where you want it to. And then when you go to your courses, then it would show up there. So if I go back, my courses already shows it's there. And then you would do the same thing again. I would go here. Okay, now I need 34897. I have to enter that one into the same thing. 34897. Click search. Same thing, it only shows a couple of the sections. You click on view all sections, and you would go down, down, down until you get to third grade. Not us yet. Third grade. And so here we are, 56440. It shows I'm registered. If you weren't registered, it would say register like the other one did. And you'll click on it, click next, and you should be good to go. If that doesn't work, let me know. But I thought it might be easier for you to just view it on my screen and be able to watch it than to hear me tell you. No worries either way.